Today, we'll be taking a look at the drain pump assembly on this Whirlpool top-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Now that we have the unit laid on its side, we have clear access to the drain pump here. Now the main reason why you'd be replacing your drain pump is if the unit is not draining. To begin, what you'll want to do is open this harness piece and just check your wiring first. Sometimes I see right here where the wiring may have gotten damaged and causing it not to get 120 volts. If this is the case, make sure you fix that first. Outside of that, you will remove your wiring by pinching the Molex, sliding it out, and then on the top, we'll have to remove this clamp in order to take the drain pump off. So remove it all the way to the back as far as you can go. Let's go ahead and give the hose just a little twist to loosen it. And then we have a couple of 5/16 that have to be taken off. Remove these. Let's pull down on the drain pump. Get the hose the rest of the way off. And set your pump to the side. When installing a new drain pump, first we're going to slide the hose back on about where it should be hooked up at. And then we're going to reinstall the screws. Make sure your hose fits on there and it's not twisted. And then use your pliers to reattach the clamp here. We will bring our wiring back up, slide it through the side strain reliever on the drain pump, reinstall your Molex, bring our wires back, and they'll go through the very back portion, clip this shut, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.